Here's a fact most people never think about. Every year, thousands of travelers lose valuables, face security hassles, or end up stranded simply because they packed the wrong things in their checked luggage. Your suitcase rolls out, but what's inside tells a very different story. Broken electronics, missing items, or something you desperately need but can't reach because it's trapped in the cargo hold. The truth is, airlines and airports handle millions of bags every day. And once yours disappears behind that conveyor belt, that's why knowing what not to pack is just as important as what you do pack. Today on Spin of Facts, we're uncovering 6 things you should never put in checked luggage. And number 6, it's a surprising mistake even frequent flyers make. Stick around and don't forget to hit subscribe for more fascinating facts every week. Why checked bags are risky. Before we jump into the list, let's set the stage. Checked luggage goes through a lot more than you think. Once you hand it over at the counter, it disappears behind the scenes, through conveyor belts, scanners, handlers, and sometimes even manual searches. Bags get tossed, stacked, opened, and occasionally lost. Airlines handle millions of bags every day, and although most arrive safely, a shocking number don't. According to recent data, more than 26 million bags are mishandled worldwide each year. That includes delays, damages, and yes, missing items. That's why knowing what not to pack is just as important as knowing what to bring. Let's break it down. Number 1, electronics and gadgets. First up, electronics. Laptops, tablets, cameras. Why? 2 big reasons. Theft and damage. Checked bags get opened for random inspections, and unfortunately, electronics are one of the most commonly stolen items. In fact, airports around the world report thousands of theft cases each year, and gadgets are always at the top of the list. Even if they don't get stolen, the rough handling of baggage can easily damage your expensive gear. Imagine a $2,000 MacBook crushed under a 50-pound suitcase, not worth the risk. Many airlines have strict rules about lithium batteries, which power most electronics. If they catch fire mid-flight, it's much safer to deal with them in the cabin than deep in the cargo hold. So keep your gadgets in your carry-on. That way, you not only protect them, but also have entertainment ready for your flight. Use a padded laptop sleeve or gadget organizer to avoid scratches and spills while traveling. 2, jewelry and valuables. Second, never put jewelry, watches, or other small valuables in checked bags because they're easy to steal and hard to trace. Think about it. If your bag is delayed or stolen, do you really want your grandmother's heirloom necklace or your wedding ring sitting inside? Airlines usually limit their liability for lost items, and jewelry almost always falls under excluded items. Translation: if it goes missing, you're on your own. Instead, keep valuables with you. Wear them or pack them in a secure carry-on bag. Don't flash expensive jewelry in public areas of the airport. You never know who's watching. If you're traveling to multiple destinations, consider a small portable safe or lockable pouch. It's extra peace of mind. 3 cash and important documents. 3 cash, credit cards, passports, or any crucial documents should never be checked. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people toss their wallets or backup money into a checked bag, thinking it'll be safer there. Here's the reality. If your suitcase is lost, so is your identity. Without ID or a passport, international travel can turn into a nightmare. Imagine being stranded abroad with no way to prove who you are. And even things like medical prescriptions or insurance documents should always stay close. Keep these essentials in a travel wallet or a hidden pouch. That way, even if your luggage disappears, you'll still have everything you need to keep traveling. Always have a digital backup of your passport, ID, and travel documents stored in a secure cloud or email. It could save you in an emergency. 4, fragile items. Fourth, fragile items like glass bottles, souvenirs, or delicate gifts should never go in checked bags. Yes, airlines say fragile items are not recommended, but what they really mean is, we won't take responsibility if it breaks. Baggage handlers are under pressure to move thousands of bags quickly. That means tossing, stacking, and slamming. Your carefully wrapped wine bottle or snow globe won't stand a chance. Even fragile stickers don't guarantee anything. They're often ignored. If you absolutely must transport something fragile, carry it on board. Many airlines allow a small extra bag for duty-free or specialty items, so take advantage of that. Or better yet, ship fragile items home separately. It might cost extra, but it saves heartache. Think of it as paying a little now to avoid paying a lot later in disappointment. 5. Medications and health essentials. 5th, and this one's critical, never put medication in checked luggage. Bags get lost, flights get delayed, and access to your medicine could be blocked for days. For some travelers, missing a dose isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous. Keep all prescriptions, inhalers, insulin, or EpiPens in your carry-on, along with a copy of your prescription. Security officers may check them, but as long as they're labeled and declared, you'll be fine. And here's a pro tip. Pack at least an extra week's supply of medication. Split into 2 containers. Keep one with you and one in your personal bag. That way, even if something gets misplaced, you're covered. Also, carry them in their original packaging. This avoids confusion at security checks and proves they're legitimate. Factor 6. Irreplaceable items and personal keepsakes. Finally, the most overlooked category, personal keepsakes. Family photos, childhood letters, unique souvenirs, or anything with deep emotional value should never go in checked luggage. Why? Because airlines don't insure for sentiment. If your suitcase vanishes, no amount of compensation can replace a lost diary, your kid's artwork, or that one-of-a-kind gift from a loved one. And it happens more often than people think. Airlines mishandle around 26 million bags each year globally. Travel is unpredictable, and the last thing you want is for your memories to be stuck in a bag that didn't make it to your destination. Carry them with you. It's peace of mind you'll never regret. Even something as simple as a USB drive with precious photos should stay in your backpack, not the cargo hold. Extra things you should think twice about. While these are the big 6, here are a few bonus items you should also avoid checking. Keys, house or car. Imagine losing your luggage and being locked out when you get home. Perishable food. It can spoil, leak, or stink up your bag. Irreplaceable work documents. Laptops can be replaced, but that once-in-a-lifetime project draft? Not so much. Final thoughts. So what should you pack in checked luggage? Clothes, shoes, toiletries, and things you can live without if your bag is delayed. Everything important, money, electronics, jewelry, medication, and keepsakes, should always stay with you. The key idea is simple. If it's valuable, fragile, or impossible to replace, don't check it. So those are the 6 things you should never pack in checked luggage. The next time you fly, remember, the smartest travelers aren't the ones who pack the most, but the ones who pack the safest. Which of these surprised you the most? Do you have your own packing never ever rule? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your travel tips. And if you found this video useful, smash that like button, subscribe to Spin of Facts, and share this with your fellow travelers. Because the more we know, the smoother our journeys become.